We'll guide you through how to fix DaVinci Resolve no audio issues. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Fairlight tab. This is where all your audio tracks are managed. Check if the mute button is accidentally turned on for any of your tracks. You can easily spot this if there's a small M highlighted on the track header. If it is, click to unmute it. Next, go to the audio mixer panel. Here, you need to ensure that the master channel is not muted. Look for the master fader and ensure the mute button is off. If your issue persists, go to the Preferences under the DaVinci Resolve menu. Then select System and go to the Video and Audio I/O section. You should see a setting for speaker setup. Ensure that the correct audio output device is selected. Sometimes, DaVinci Resolve might default to a different output device, which can cause the audio to be silent. If you're using an external audio interface, make sure it's properly connected and selected as the output device. Another common fix is to check the sample rate. Go back to Preferences, and under the Video and Audio I/O tab, confirm that the sample rate matches your project's settings. If your project is set to a different sample rate than your system, it could cause audio playback issues. Finally, make sure your audio clips are not corrupted. Try playing them outside DaVinci Resolve using a different player to see if they work. If they play fine, the issue is likely within the software settings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.